So you're thinking of joining Scentsy, you're thinking of joining my awesome team. So what you can do is you can join and get your very own business for $129 plus shipping and taxes. And for that $129, you get way more than $129 worth of product. Let me read off a few of the things, okay? I just want to make sure I get all this right. So you get a best-selling warmer in your starter kit. You get 80 plus scent testers. You get product samples. You get catalogs. And if you join in this month, August, you get the spring and summer and the fall and winter catalogs. You get print your own labels, you get order forms, there's a whole bunch of business tools in there that you need, and you also get things like you get some Scentsy bars in there. They get you started with everything you need, worth way more than $129. You also get, read this, you get 3 months of your personal website for free. That's right. So they give you your own website and you get the first 3 months free. After that, it's only $12 a month if you choose to keep it. And that's a tax write-off, just so you know. And also this month, for August only, you get the Disney Princess Wax Collection. So that's 4 bars, and we've got 4 different scents right now: Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, and Mulan. You get those, and you get it in a cute little pink satin bag. So you get that in your starter kit as well this month. So this is a great time to join Scentsy because September's coming. That's our new fall and winter catalog. And you can still do great. You can get some great sales in August going. That's why they send you the spring and summer books too. But starting September 1st we have a licensing agreement with Disney, which means that we've got great new products coming out. And because we have a licensing agreement with Disney, Scentsy will always get future knowledge of any new movies and anything coming out so that they'll have time to get new products made in time for us to release it before the new movies come out and whatnot. So this is very exciting time. So joining Scentsy is a great idea, and you can do it for many different reasons, but there's 4 different categories people fall into. First one is Kidnapper, where you just join just to get this starter kit, which is valued at way over $129, just so you know. Most people who say they're joining as kidnappers, they only want the kits and they don't want anything else. They don't want to sell. They don't want to do anything. They usually end up falling into the next category, which is hobbyist, which means you're just buying for yourself or your close friends and family, putting in a few orders here and there, just to fill your own Scentsy needs and their Scentsy needs, and you can easily get the minimum amount in, which is one order of $265 once every 3 months. That's all you have to do to remain an active consultant. That's it. So most people turn into hobbyists and easily do that. Some people then do it as part-time, and that's so they can bring in some extra money. With Christmas coming and the holiday season, it's going to be a very exciting time. So it's great to join for that reason, make some extra money, earn some Christmas presents and stuff for people. And then there's the 4th category, which is full-time, which is like me, what I do. I do this full-time. So you can do it for whatever reason you want. There's never any pressure from me. And I can help you with anything that you want, any goals that you want. And my team is awesome. We just have fun, and we're such a positive, happy team, always there to help each other. And you're making a great decision if you're thinking about joining Scentsy. So if you have any questions, let me know. And my website, www.stacyclawson.scentsy.ca/join, but I can also give you the link for that. And that's how you sign up and start your very own business and get started today. I hope to see you as part of Team Goal Smashers very soon. Take care.